Hi friends, welcome to my channel Renu's Chat and Talk. If you are new, please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share my videos with your friends and family. Today we do primary auxiliaries do forms. We completed B forms and today we do forms. What are do forms? Do, does and did. Do, does and did. In that do, we use for all personal pronouns like I, we, you, they. I, we, you and they. For he, third person singular, he, she, it, we use does. The remaining personal pronouns we use I, you, we, they, do. And only for he, she, it we do does we, right? He, she, it. Do plus es, third person singular, he, she, it, we use does. And past form, only one word did. For whether it is I or they, we, you, he, she, it, whatever it may be, only one past form, that is did. And so simple present, do and does, both based on this personal pronouns, and did is V2, this is V1, this is V2, then V3 is do, did, done, V3, and then V4 doing. Doing is V4, do plus ing, doing, not does plus ing, only we get doing. Then when do we use do forms? We use do forms as main verbs. Let us start that we do forms as main verbs. Okay? Like, look at the sentences. I do yoga daily. Here, do. Okay? Here we are using do as main verb. I do yoga daily. She does meditation. We do physical exercises or we do aerobics daily. Okay, we do aerobics or physical exercises. He does his homework. After he and she, we have to use does, isn't it? So he does his homework. Then if it is past tense, she did a good job. She did an excellent work. She did a good job. Then we can use past form but only one word, so no confusion. Then I did my graduation from studies also you can use. I did my graduation from women's college. I did my graduation from so and so college. So there also you use did. Okay, these in all these cases do as main verb, and we also use in V3 form also we use, like perfect tense mainly we use has, have and had. After we use V3 done. We have done our homework. They have done their work. Okay. After that also in V3 also we use, and also V4 in continuous tense also they are doing some mirror work, they are doing some carpentry work, they are doing some embroidery work. There some women are doing the handloom work. Okay, like that they are doing some work. In such cases you can use in continuous form also as a main verb we are using do. And even in imperative sentences, so you want to give some command, do this work immediately, then also you begin your sentence in imperative sentence also you can use do this work immediately. Okay, so main do forms as main verbs we use to do some exercises or yoga meditation also we take the help of do, and also in present or past form we can do. And then V3 also, as a V3 especially in present and present perfect and past perfect we take the help of V3, and continuous tense also we use V4. And imperative sentences also we use before. Do forms. In imperative sentences begin directly, they begin with do only. Do this immediately. Then next. So we use do forms as helping verbs, especially to make negative sentences. How? How do you we use? We just see. He plays cricket. It is a affirmative sentence or a positive statement. To make it negative, we take the help of do forms. Okay? How do we use? We just see. That's why I've given both the sentences, affirmative and negative. Why? How to use them? I want to show you. He plays cricket. Then if you want to take the help of do forms, which one you pick up? Because third person singular, place is there, then we just pick up does, isn't it? And also place is equal to does plus play. Play is the base verb and it is equal to does plus play. When you use negatives, you have to take that word does. After that, immediately not, you have to add then the main verb. So, how it becomes? He does not play cricket. He plays cricket changes into negative when you write a negative sentence. He does not play cricket. He not plays cricket. He plays not cricket. Both are wrong. You have to take the help of do forms. Okay, which do form you take? Does. He does not play cricket. Okay, then she came yesterday. Yesterday, past form. So immediately it is equal to did plus come, or in past form you have to take did. Either way you can take. It is equal to did plus come is the base verb, or else directly did you can use because it's past form. She did not come yesterday. She did not. After that you have to write always base verb only. She did not came yesterday. Wrong. She does not plays cricket. That is also wrong. Already we are using here. So here only base form only we have to use. Base verb only we have to use. Okay. He does not play cricket. She did not come yesterday. She did not came yesterday. Wrong. She did not come yesterday. I teach a lesson. I do not teach a lesson. For teach, you have to take I and teach both are there. You have to take do. Do. I do not teach a lesson. This teach, do plus teach. Okay, so that do you have to take here. I do not teach a lesson. I not teach a lesson. I teach not a lesson. I do not taught a lesson. That is, I do not teach us a lesson. That all wrong. Only you have to say, I do not teach a lesson. Okay. Suppose, for example, she did an excellent work. This is only the main verb. Then how to use do form. Okay. She did an excellent work. She did not do. Okay. Already this is there. So you have to split it into did plus do. Did is equal to did plus do. So that we have using here. So she did not do her homework. Her homework also correct. She did not do an excellent work. She did not do her homework. So did plus do. Negative. She did not do her work. She did an excellent work. She did not do an excellent work. This is the way you have to use. Okay, clear? Once again, I repeat. He plays cricket means you have to say he does not play cricket. She did not do her work. I do not teach a lesson. Or she did not do her homework, or she did not come yesterday. Okay, here in all these cases, we are using do forms as helping verbs. To frame negative statements, we are using do forms as helping verbs. Their role is here only to support because main verbs already there. Play, come, teach, do, all these are main verbs. For them, you are giving the support. You are taking the help of do forms as support. Even I do yoga. I do not do yoga. I do not do meditation. She does not do meditation. We don't do aerobics. There are the statements also you can use here. The same, she did not do her graduation. The same statements also you can use. And even in continuous tense, already in B forms only we have used the same ones only you can use. Continuous tense, there is no role of do forms. In continuous tense, only B forms only we take the help. So here there is no rule. And in perfect tense, anyhow, have not done you have to use. So there also. So only when we use the main verbs present and past forms only, we take the help of do forms. Only in present and past form only we use do, does and did to make negative statements. Thank you all for watching my video.